Theatre is this ecosystem that reflects everything in nature and man. Man's nature and the larger nature. So you have poems and what you call Mahakavyas by people like Kalidasa, you have Meghadutam, you have Shakuntalam, in which they describe the whole forest in such detail every season. So if you take old Sanskrit poetry and literature and theatre, always reflected man's connectivity with nature. So if I'm sensitive to nature, I'm a different kind of person. And if I'm oblivious of what is growing around me and what is there, then it reflects in society and the apathy that kind of builds up between one human being and the other. When we got this site, it was just 100 feet by 100 feet civic community site, and the gulmohars were very, very small. And when you build such a tall building, 51 feet high, the poor tree has to grow tall. So the gulmohar has come searching for sunlight. It's come all around over here. It's doing a good job by giving shade. And opposite our site, I have done a little bit of planting because we don't have space in our place. But I've planted champa, a yellow frangipani, a parijata, and a night queen. And these are my favorite plants. Favorite plants here. Okay, so 2 of them are plants, 2 of them are trees. I wish I had more land and I would plant so many more trees. I've lived on a farm for many, many years, 34 years now. And I think I've paid back some green debt of mine because I planted 10,000 silver oak trees. This was 30 years ago. And those trees have grown, they're big. You can actually see them on the Google map, so I like that. As important as good manners. As important as we teach our children, you must be good human beings. Being nice to nature, you can call it a selfish thing. Because if you're nice to nature, nature will be nice to you. It's not something that is vengeful. So I guess as a planet, we have to wake up and be nice to nature. What do I say? I guess it is life. It's everything, no? A good tree near your house is breathing, giving you oxygen, giving you shade, bringing trees, bringing little helpful insects around, giving you fruits maybe, giving you flowers. What more do you want? The poor thing doesn't ask for much, but trees are as important as you and me. I think the day trees are gone from the face of this earth, we won't be there to record it. We'll be gone before that. Now Bangalore has its own wonderful tree festival, Neralu. I think all of us need to participate, contribute, and do this for ourselves, for the generations that are going to follow. So it's a bunch of youngsters who are excited by the idea of sharing the idea of a tree. What does it do? It just keeps giving. So in February, get out of your houses, notice what the trees around you are, become part of this movement that can really make your garden city become better, become greener, your children to become more alive to the idea of what a tree is. Take part in it. Neralu Festival.